So it came today, guys. I'm a little excited, but then I'm also a little worried because I'm behind schedule. So our new airbags came. I ordered these off of eBay. So I'm not doing an unboxing video just because there's too much work to do. I gotta get this thing to a show in a week and a half. So here's our airbags. Came from eBay. I got a whole set for $280. Now I got quite a bit of stuff for that. We've got the two airbags. There's one over there. We got the upper mount, the lower mount that mounts to the axle. So this will mount to the C-notch, and this will mount to the axle. We also got a triangulated 4-link. You gotta show them what you did. My wife thought it'd be funny to mow the grass, but then she ran over a water line right in the middle of me filming my video here. So much for airbags. Looks like I gotta go fix a water line. She's having to mow the grass because I'm out here working on the truck. So guess I gotta go fix a water line. So I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. Back to my filming. Alright, so it looks like we dodged that bullet, kinda. I'm gonna make her fix it. No, I won't. I just wanted to kind of show you what else we got. There's a couple brackets that came with the kit. This is where the parallel link is gonna mount and weld to the axle. Then we have, sorry about that. And this right here, well, it looks like it's gonna mount to the frame. They didn't actually give instructions with this kit. Can you believe that? It just gives me a bunch of pieces and bolts and hardware and no instructions. You gotta figure it out. Then we got some hardware bolts. This looks like for the triangle part. And then this looks for the, I think that's for the bars. And then we have two sets of bars here. So we got the long ones that will go right along the frame. And we got the smaller ones that will run the triangle into the front support beam. So that's kind of where we are. Got to figure out how all this works, get it all fitted up. I still have to grind off the tabs on the other side. I was only able to do the one side last night, so I still got to get that ground off, and then I will come back and I'll show you guys how I'm going to get this all fitted into place and do maybe some light tack welds and see what we got to do to get her lined up. But that's kind of where we're at right now. So the airbag kit came 2 days early. It was supposed to be here on Monday. Today's Friday. Showed up a little bit early. My wife decided she would mow the grass for me because I usually mow the grass on Saturday. And then we had that little emergency. So, well, anyway, I got the water shut off. So now I can kind of work on this. We'll address the sprinklers maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Whatever. Or maybe I'll teach her how to fix a broken water line. Anyway. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. So I don't know if I shared with you guys how it looked. This is actually how it came out after grinding all those tabs off. It did take about an hour to cut those and grind them down. And here is the passenger side. You can still see all those. Quite a bit of work still to do. But I got to make this one look like this one so we can get our parallel link mounted in, and then we will put our triangle link right here. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this side cut off, and I'll be back in just a few minutes once that's all cleaned off. Well, there it is, guys. So we've got a quick sneak peek at what it's going to look like. Got the airbags kind of laid in position. We got the 4-link in. We got the triangulated part set up. Still a lot of work to do. But I want to give you guys kind of a quick glimpse of what it's looking like. We're actually making progress. So tomorrow I will put the wheels on and get everything in position to get the C-notch set up. Now the C-notch is going to actually weld right to the top of the airbag. So I got to take some measurements to get that kind of all lined up. Anyway, please rate, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys next week. As always, make it a great day.